these are the pieces to the Lego three-wheeled motorcycle with giant ladder and canine dog. Okay, here's how you build it. Take these 3 ladders. Take these 3 ladders, put them on the top. Oops. Put them on like top of each other like that. Then you do the next one like same thing with the next one, except on the next one. Come on. And then you make it, try to make it, and then you make it extra long. Like that. Put that to the side. Make the person, the ranger. Get these blue feet. Then put the top shirt on. The top body. Then put this sort of like orange guy with orange head with glasses, and then put like a sun hat on. Done with that. And the dog don't have to do anything with it. There we go. Then you take this piece, then put this back red light on it. Then put this back wheel on it. And another one on the other side. And take that to the side. Then you get this one. Then you hook this on to it. Like that. Right. Then put a light on that and then get this back over here. Then that's done. Wait, nope, it's not. No, it's not. And there you have it. Oh no, right, ow, up. Okay, there, then. Oops. There you have it. Oops. Let's get the sky on. There you have it. There you have it.